Khubor ka Batisi TV, lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Menteri ke Sorkar Jela bapaj katanat puli puthi uba lakmen rembui haga arpu pratarik benar risau arajar arpu wei ulaong baka Sorkar Jela kam dan Pisa ban itho ne ban Regularize yaki khat arajar sanspa asapu wei ngut ki Nonghikai school ki batrai hapo ka scheme samagra shiksha abhiyan hapo kani ke Jela Meghalaya. Habe keren mat kilat pathai khubor ba rembui ulaong baka Sorkar Jela hadu mentahi kadang shanya abaj ha ka Sorkar Padang bakan ai Pisa naga benta ban siu tulop yaki Nonghikai school SSA bat ongru baka Sorkar kamshim lapan khain hiru wat yaki kindon jong ka right to education kumbala kendo da ka Meghalaya SSA Schools Association.
We have not received any fund from the government of India. As I said time and again, until unless the government of India release the fund, so we cannot do anything. We have to wait for that. And I wish that the government of India release not a small amount, a big amount, so that we could clear not 1 month, 2 months, we could clear at least 4, 5 months salary at one go. They can't blame anybody, but they know the fact. The fact, they know the fact. Not possible as of now, not possible. The reason I have already stated time and again, the reason for that, the government of Meghalaya as of now is not in a position to regularize the SSA teachers. We are totally dependent upon the central government to give the fund for us for payment of salary. We are not here to violate anything. We are here to see that streamline the education system and to see that as and when the fund is available, which is meant for the particular sector of the thing, we will implement that as soon as possible. And now, when we have implemented this new system of PFMS, as soon as the government of India release the fund to the state government, before it used to go through the finance department, or it will take time. Now, if they release, the government of India release today, so in 3 days, it will reach the account of DMC concerned to disburse the teachers. So the additional chief secretary last week have come from Delhi, had a deliberation and meeting with the official from there, and we hope that in a very short possible time the government of India will sanction. But I wish, as I said before, that they will sanction maximum funds so that we could clear this 4 months and moreover so that we could pay for the coming month.